How to set up Robinhood wallet. In this video, I will show you how to do it step by step in 2025. So make sure to like and subscribe. Step 1. Go to the App Store or Google Play and search for Robinhood wallet, not the main Robinhood app, and then install and open. Step 2. If you already have a Robinhood account, just sign in. If not, you can sign up and complete the registration with your email and verification. Step 3. You will be guided to create a recovery phrase. This is your only backup, so write it down and store it securely. Never share your praise. Step 4. Customize your wallet. You can set up Face ID, choose your default network like Ethereum or Polygon, and enable features like push notifications for transactions. Step 5. Tap Receive to get your wallet address. You can then transfer crypto from your Robinhood investing account or from another wallet or exchange. And now, your Robinhood wallet is ready. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching.